Okay, we're back for episode 1 of the E30 K-swap build. Gonna be cleaning up this engine and prepping it for paint. So it's actually shot out of order a little bit here, so I already power washed it to get all this old paint off. We're gonna be taking off all these accessories here so we can get the paint underneath all that and get that all cleaned up. And this part here actually is gonna be changed with my setup. So right now, this engine's totally ready to go for an E30, but it's not set up for power steering, which I want to have. K-Power makes a kit where you can relocate a Miata power steering pump up here. So I have to buy that and set that up. So this all has to come off anyway and get worked on. So I got some VHT engine enamel. I got primer and aluminum paint. So let's start masking it up and getting it ready.
Going to keep it pretty basic for the cleaning here, just using purple power and a power washer. This is also the transmission we're going to be using for the project.
If you don't already have this tool, you are missing out big time. This thing is the greatest. Okay, there we go.
Got all the accessories removed now, and I'm just going to try to clean this RTV off with a plastic scraper. I ended up using a brass brush because that didn't do the trick.
So I'm going to use this little scraper prior tool here to just rub the outside of the tape and should give me a clean line. Okay, so this has been baking in the sun for like 20 minutes. Here's my paint here. I'm going to give this a try. Okay, let's do first coat now of the actual silver.
With the paint dry, it's time to start getting this back together and replace all the hardware. Last up was replacing these exhaust studs, and I just used the double nut method, which is pretty easy to get them out. Once you got the two nuts on, you just have to snug them up to each other, and then you can reverse both of them out at the same time to pull the whole stud. Got a nice fresh exhaust gasket in with all new hardware, and with that we're going to be wrapping up this episode. So stay tuned for next time. We're going to be doing the engine accessories.